Hello, welcome to our channel Sassy Living. Sassy means lively or bold. Today's theme is keys to success, and the focus is the 25 keys to success. Agenda for discussion is success keys. At end of the presentation, few ideas as the takeaway. Let us understand the list of success keys. Success keys. Let us understand first of all what is success. Success doesn't come to you, you go to it. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. Success is falling 9 times and getting up the 10th time. The list of the keys as follows. Never give up. Be responsible. Have I am talented approach. Control your emotions. Have a plan. Have a burning desire. Be prepared to strive for success. As the rightmost picture on top depicted is the symbolic representation to control our emotions. The success keys list continued. Always concentrate on your work. Have a clear goal. Be ready to learn. Learning is a continuous lifelong activity that starts from mother's womb and may also be continued till we reach to the tomb. Hence, that is an importance of learning. Marry the right person. Be forgiving for yourself and others. Be enthusiastic. Listen and smile. Discuss but do not argue. Choose your words carefully. Persistence, persistence, persistence. Oh, persistence is to be continued forever. That gives you permanent results. Discipline yourself to save money on even the most modest salary. Saving money means you are paying to yourself. Treat everyone you meet like you would want to be treated. Yeah, the list of success keys is being continued. Commit yourself to constant improvement. Commit yourself to quality. Understand that happiness is not based on possessions, power, or prestige, but on relationship with people you love and respect. Be loyal and honest. When you make a mistake, accept it and move on. Be grateful but do not expect gratitude. Always you must be grateful to the others. As the picture depicts on the right top is the symbolic gesture for be loyal and be honest. And life gives us to learn from our mistakes as it is represented in the bottom picture. It's a great opportunity always to improve if you realize our mistakes. The takeaway ideas are as the left bottom picture depicted, always use the sharpened appropriate right tools on right time to fix the correct work, which helps us building a dream house, is nothing but accomplishing our life goals, dreams and desires. As the rightmost top picture, the simple cat look into mirror and it understands its reflection as if it is the king lion. That means believing in oneself based on one's capabilities and caliber. If you have that attitude of believing in yourself as if you are the lion, though you are originally a cat, that is the confidence one should have in their life to fulfill their dreams. Thank you for your patient hearing. Thank you.